Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to use all RAM on Windows 10 and make sure your system is using its full performance potential. We'll walk through a simple built-in setting step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. This is a quick access tool that lets you open system utilities directly without searching through menus. Step 2. Type msconfig in the Run box and press Enter. This command opens the system configuration window where important startup and boot settings for Windows are managed. Step 3. In the system configuration window, click on the Boot tab. This section controls how Windows starts and includes advanced options related to system resources. Step 4. Click on the Advanced Options button. This opens additional boot settings where you can manage processor and memory-related configurations. Step 5. Check the box next to maximum memory. This tells Windows to use the specified amount of RAM during startup instead of limiting it. Step 6. Enter the maximum available RAM value in the box. This ensures Windows is allowed to access all the physical memory installed on your computer. Step 7. Click OK and then click Apply. This saves the changes you've made so they can take effect the next time the system starts. Step 8. Restart your computer to apply the changes. The new memory settings will be active once Windows boots back up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech guides.